After the FTX implosion last year, investors are eager to unravel other amazing aspects of cryptocurrencies. Indeed, many cryptocurrencies have seen their popularity skyrocket due to a huge chunk of attention and the unveiling of special opportunities. As a result, there is more to Cardano than its coin price, seems to be the ravenous comment of the moment. Naturally, people do not appreciate the idea of vouching for their investments and valuable chances on new or unknown things. People love to see a transparent fintech company. They want to see someone responsible for a particular service or protocol. It is only when their fears are allayed that they can go massively all in for a project. If it's just a random project with a shady group of individuals as its pioneers, then it's an automatic scarecrow. Everyone loves what works best. In this regard, Cardano, its parent company IOG, and the Cardano Foundation have proven to be transparent institutions. And this is why it's so easy to believe in its ongoing feats and forthcoming projects, especially the one which is on the horizon. Cardano has been in the crypto game for a relatively short period, and over the years, there has been an unflinching emphasis on scientific philosophy and a peer-reviewed approach. This development has resulted in a highly secure and robust platform that is well suited for a variety of use cases. Decentralized finance is one of the more prominent uses. Frequently touted as one of the coins with the potential to topple Ethereum as the second cryptocurrency by market capitalization, Cardano is a decentralized platform that allows for the creation and execution of smart contracts and decentralized apps. Before Ethereum switched to proof of stake in September 2022, Cardano was the first to hit this milestone. The third generation showed the crypto world that such a feat was possible. Just in case you didn't know, proof of stake is much more energy efficient and scalable than proof of work methods used by cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin. Recently, Input-Output Global assembled a team of specialist engineers to use the rock-solid foundation of Cardano to build a toolkit for developing custom sidechains. Using the toolkit, an Ethereum virtual machine, or EVM for short, has been successfully constructed. And guess what? This is where the whole fun begins because sidechains make Cardano extensible and more scalable without tweaking the stability or security of the main chain. The top-notch decentralization, security, and scalability of the Ouroboros consensus protocol, which is used by Cardano, has been proven at scale and volume by thousands of independent stake pools and millions of wallet addresses for over 5 years. The Cardano network has been running without failure since its inception in 2017, and all of its minor glitches have not gone unresolved. Cardano is trying to establish a solid point with its upcoming connection with Cosmos, or Atom, and it is that decentralization and interoperability are key to the future of the blockchain. These features ensure that no individual or entity can control a blockchain or is limited to just a single ecosystem. From both engineering and social perspectives, most applications and communities need to be empowered with their dominance and design choices to grow. So to activate this interoperable environment, IOG has been working on the creation of a toolkit for building a family of sidechains. With this toolkit, anyone can begin to leverage Cardano's security and infrastructure to create mission-oriented sidechains. But this is of course just the tip of the iceberg. The Cardano network has received a huge boost after the World Mobile and Input-Output Global announced a partnership to completely integrate the purpose-built World Mobile chain using Tendermint as a Cardano sidechain. According to the announcement, these two entities will bridge a permissioned solution built on Cosmos SDK through Cardano's public mainnet. With this development, the Cosmos and Cardano will relish a scalable interoperability network to build Web3 protocols. IOG has also recently released an update on the ongoing sidechain project. The Cardano-based sidechain project is configured to usher in a brand new era of scalability for blockchains. The CEO of World Mobile, Mikey Watkins, noted, World Mobile needed a permissioned sidechain to meet the requirements of a regulated telecommunication industry. Since such a solution does not yet exist within the Cardano ecosystem, we decided that we will look at how we will be able to achieve this. According to reports, the two companies, World Mobile and IOG, have been working together for the past 3 years to bridge the digital divide using the Cardano blockchain. The Cardano community has acknowledged that this common goal was reeling of outstanding benefits for both companies. In the recent past, accountability has been identified as a key factor in scaling the interoperability of various blockchains that seek to compel the attention of more DeFi developers. In fact, Roman Pellerin, CTO of IOG, noted, by working with World Mobile towards integrating with Tendermint, Cardano facilitates greater inclusion in the interest of blockchains. Cardano's extensive offerings, everything from its core infrastructure to its enhanced security measure, to a vibrant community that drives Cardano's future, empowered these new chains to bootstrap and secure new use cases from day one. Indeed, this development is about to open a world of possibilities between the Cardano chain and the Cosmos. The integration of World Mobile's chain as a sidechain represents Cardano's recent push towards interoperability as part of its scalability goal and a path to becoming the internet of blockchains. Recent reports noted that Cardano, in its protocol version 8 upgrade, will add support for SCCP-256K1, the elliptic curve used in securing blockchains like Ethereum and Bitcoin. As a result, the Cardano network will be able to communicate with these chains in the future. Also, Cardano boasts a budding list of sidechains. It recently announced Midnight, a data protection-focused blockchain that allows users to share sensitive information. The Cardano network has grown to a world-reputable smart contract blockchain. However, the pangs of the 200 bear market have significantly slashed cash inflow to the ADA market as revealed by the total value locked, or TVL for short. As shown by reports in CoinGlass, the Cardano network has a TVL of about $75 million. Notably, a year ago, the total value locked was about $326 million. And again, here comes the fears of potential doubts about this interesting integration. Cosmos managed to register gains on its weekly chart by increasing its price by more than 2%. According to CoinMarketCap, it was recently trading at $13.71 with a market cap of over $3.8 billion. Although this uptick can be attributed to the broader market conditions, a few other factors seem to be at play, one of which can be Cardano's plan for connecting with the Cosmos ecosystem. The Cardano founder, Charles Hoskinson, tweeted, "It's exciting to see things moving so quickly in the Cardano ecosystem. Sidechains are coming along, including Cosmos, Jed is launching soon, Hydra and Mithra are on schedule, Laced is almost out of beta, and tons of dApps are coming online." However, the question of whether Cardano can provide the support Cosmos needs to sustain its growth seems to be clouding the surface, thereby instigating fears and doubts. So the question is, will Cardano be enough? A look at Cosmos' on-chain metric revealed that the development can further help the token skyrocket on the charts. In addition, negative sentiments around Cosmos decreased in the last few days. It has remained in demand in the futures market as its Binance funding rate was consistently up. The token's development activity went up over the last week, and this is looking like a promising sign as it reflected the increased efforts of developers in improving the network. Cosmos' daily charts unveils that the good moments might linger for a few more days, as it was evident that the bulls still eroded the market. In the long run, let's see how things unfold. Moreover, thanks to Bitcoin, the whole blockchain industry has taken off. For a long time, many did not believe that any other project other than Bitcoin could be successful. Alas, they were wrong. A strong community is very essential in crypto adoption. People must not abandon the project just because the math does no longer add up. In the same way, people have abandoned POW clones and stopped believing in them. From all indications, Cardano has an incredibly strong and dedicated community that believes in technological advancements. It is important to note that while the fundamental value of most Cardano projects is lacking, it is not that difficult for Cardano to catch up. The network's targets and goals are deeply enthralling. Scalability and interoperability are key pillars, and they solve the most critical problems of all current projects. If people are attracted to a project, then it implies that such a project is scaling and serving everyone who wants to use it at a certain time. The conditions of usage must be the same all the time. Money built on a distributed network is a mind-blowing idea, but the network must scale for people to use. With the unwavering emphasis on these key pillars, the Cardano network has effectively addressed problems that could stem from its roots. It is widely believed that Cardano is a fantastic cryptocurrency, making waves in the crypto space. But as it is with all things crypto, time will tell whether this effect will increase or hit the rocks. But of course, what are your thoughts on this? Let us have them in the comments section below. We'll see you in the next video, but before then, check out other videos to find out how Cardano is living up to the dream of being the Ethereum killer. And as always, make sure you click on the subscribe notification buttons.